Hey guys, so here we have the finished product of this beautiful wool rug where we have successfully restored, according to the customer's specifications, to diminish the abrash on the rug, to even out the rusty color so that we can even out the lighter abrash color to the darker abrash color in the field of this rug. And as you can see, we've also evened out the brown abrash colors in the flowers that we have on this rug. Here we have 3 of these flowers ornaments in the center of the rug and also 6 around the sides, and we have evened out the brown colors. As you can see, the results are amazing, and we're super thrilled with how it came out, and we are looking forward to the customer's feedback on this. We know that she's going to love it to finally have these colors evened out as she has asked us to do. And so if you guys have any rugs that have any sun fading or any stains, urine stains, coffee stains, we specialize in dealing with color restoration in these rugs. So you can find us online at therugcolorist.com, or you can find us on Facebook and just look up the Rug Colorist. We have 2 locations, one in California and one in Florida. So if you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 925-400-8890. Thanks for watching.